You search for how to buy shares of Stepan Company. Stepan Company is a global specialty chemicals manufacturer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SCL. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy SCL, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SCL to locate the listing. Make sure the result clearly shows Stepan Company and NASDAQ as the exchange. Open the stock page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the company name and SCL ticker to ensure you have the correct asset. Click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may remain pending, and if you lack funds, the platform will request you to add them before confirming. Once the order is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.